Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dara Education Project video tutorial series for the Ruby programming, and in this session number 21 we are going to learn another type of loop that is known as the for each loop. As we already discussed the different types of loops and like while loop, until loop, and while do while loop and for loop, this is another type of looping. And just go and click for each loop example and create the file. Okay, first of all we will show the heading, the numbers uh, display using for each loop. Since as we know that in the for loop there is no condition was applied but a range was applied, so in the for each loop the range will be shown first like this 0 to 10, and after that we will use dot operator and then use each, and after that you can see that new kind of data was be shown here. So dot each do, and here you will apply the operator within uh, these two lines, like I is here or A is here, something like this. Now you will put the data, puts the number, and then use this number sign as we already discussed in the last lectures, that how to display the values here. So just run this program. Okay, you can see that it simply display the value from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 10. You can easily understand that the range will come first, and then after that a dot operator will used for each, and it will show that the numbers will start it from 0 and it will end at 10. For example, if we want to start the range from 5 to 10, then we just need to enter the 5 numbers in here in the start and then run this program again. You can see that its number will start from the 5 and it will 10, and the increment part was not included in the for each loop. For each loop, that does it is very simple, that you first add the range, and after that you will provide each keyword is here, and then do and place the variable between those two lines here. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos and tutorials. Allah Hafiz.